to make lauoy or laswa. My ingredients. Yan, sitaw. Then, lagyan natin ng shrimp. So, alokbate. So, yan ang ating lauoy or laswa. Yan ang ating laswa or lauoy na gulay. Maraming gulay, mas masarap.